Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3052 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Platinum Basketball Card Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Sunday, August 16th, 2020 at 11:56 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:56 p.m. Central Time, and 8:56 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Gree with 4 spots, Ant Pick 2, TT with 3, ICT with 1, Shopper with 2, Aaron Fab 1, Jab with 2, Ed 1, Vlad 1, Ag 1, Ma 1, Pledge 1, Green 1, Matzaball 2, O'Brien 1, E-Rock 1, Right On 3, CR Mag 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Gree on top, CR Mag on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has green on top, TT on the bottom. Green with the Hawks, Gree with the Celtics, Shopper Nets, Right On Hornets Bulls, Aaron with the Cavaliers, Ag Mavericks, Jab with the Nuggets, Vlad Pistons, TT with the Warriors, Jab with the Rockets, TT Pacers, Gree Clippers, Matzaball Lakers, CR Mag Grizzlies, Ed Heat, Matzaball Bucks, Shopper Timberwolves, Right On with the Pelicans, Gree Knicks, ICT with the Thunder, Gree Magic, CR Mag 76ers, O'Brien with the Suns, E-Rock Trailblazers, Ma Kings, Pledge Spurs, Ant Pick Raptors Jazz, and last but not least, TT with the Wizards, the Washington Wizards. We're all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Top seal, bottom seal. Empty. Who do we have here? Dirk Nowitzki, Dallas Mavericks auto, jersey 5 out of 25. Peerless Dirk Nowitzki. That is sweet. Game worn material of Dirk and the Dallas Mavericks. 5 out of 25 game used jersey auto out of 25 for Dirk Nowitzki and the Dallas Mavericks. Who has the Dallas Mavericks? We have Agor Luo _5. Congrats on the Dallas Mavericks Dirk Nowitzki game used jersey auto out of 25. And that was break 3052 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Platinum Basketball Card Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. Then we're on to break 3075 in the 2020 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Autograph Player Edition. Thanks!